Ujjain is an ancient city in central India. Ujjain is famous for Lord Mahakaleshwar. The city of Ujjain is also famous for Sandipani Ashram, where Lord Krishna got his education from his guru Maharshi Sandipani. Inspiring from the mythological and historical importance of the city, a dedicated and sincere resident of Ujjain started dreaming about providing Ujjain a top-ranking educational focus. The man is Shri Mahavir Prasad Vashisht. Shri Mahavir Prasad Vashisht, ex-MLA, eminent social worker and political leader, is a well-known name in this region. In order to achieve the pious objective, a body named Prasar Shikshan Evam Seva Samsthan, founded with the aim to transform young talent into competent and socially responsible professionals with a global vision. Construction started, and gradually the dream of Shri Mahavir Prasad Vashisht started taking shape in the form of first engineering college, which was dedicated to Lord Mahakaleshwar and named as Mahakal Institute of Technology. The success story of Mahakal Group of Institutes begins from 26 July 2001, when the then Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Raja Sahib Shri Digvijay Singh Ji, inaugurated Mahakal Institute of Technology and led the foundation of our academic endeavor. MIT was established in 2001-2002 with just 220 students and few faculty members in the varied streams. Professor D.S. Saxena, founder, director and advisor, Mahakal Group of Institutes, has devoted his entire professional career and life in imparting technical education. He has propounded MIT's emblem and slogan Kareshu Koshlam. Dr. M. G. Sharma, Director PG Courses, Mahakal Group of Institutes, is a treasure house of knowledge and academic experience. Dr. Sharma has a very prolific academic and research experience. Dr. V.S. Ukveja, Executive Director, Mahakal Group of Institutes. He is the in charge of academic activities in the institute and for developing a mechanism to provide consistent quality in teaching. Dr. Vivek Bansod, Director, Mahakal Institute of Technology. He is having 21 years of teaching experience in technical education. On 19th July 2002, Mahakal Institute of Pharmaceutical Studies was established. At present, MIPS is commencing B Pharma, M Pharma and M Pharma Pharmaceutics. Dr. Suresh Chandra Mahajan is the director of Mahakal Institute of Pharmaceutical Studies. Dr. Mahajan has a vast experience of teaching and research in the field of pharmacy of more than 30 years. Under his able guidance, in the year 2003, Prasar Shikshan Evam Seva Sansthan paved the way for Mahakal Institute of Management. Presently, MIM offers management program, that is MBA full-time. Dr. Rishi Dubey is professor and director of Mahakal Institute of Management, Ujjain since October 2008. He is having experience of more than 16 years including teaching and industry. He has number of published works to his credit in the area of behavioral finance. It was the need of the region and community to have one more technical educational institution at the graduate and postgraduate level along with Mahakal Institute of Technology. Therefore, MITS was established in June 2006. MITS has industrial collaboration like HCL K2 Academy, IBM Center of Excellence and Wipro Mission 10X. MITM is established in 2007. Dr. Mukesh Shukla joined Mahakal Institute of Technology and Management, Ujjain as a director to share his wide experience. He has been providing design and consultancy services to government and private organizations for last 20 years in the field of structural engineering. Colonel M.S. Gupta, CEO, Training and Placement, is a retired senior army officer. The Placement and Training Department is provided with all the facilities to enable the students of the institutes to get competitive placements. Reputed companies are visiting institute regularly. More than 100 companies have already visited our campus for recruitment since last 1 decade. Thousands of our students are recruited by very reputed companies and MNCs, and they are doing extremely good in their respective organizations. The Computer Dome is ably supported, fully equipped computer labs having state-of-the-art computing resources, providing one-to-one access to students. The dome is ably powered with latest software applications on engineering, medicine, hospitality, architecture, and information technology. Our laboratory's primary function is to meet the teaching and research needs of our students as well as faculty members. College possesses well-equipped labs including electrical, electronics, mechanical, civil engineering, physics, chemistry, and pharmacy laboratories. The Mahakal Group of Institutes has individual library with individual staff members for each institute. The Mahakal Group of Institutes has an open-air auditorium with seating capacity of 2,000 plus at MIT campus. All important functions are held in this auditorium. Frequent cultural functions and annual art festival provide opportunity to students to relax mentally amidst tight academic schedule. In order to satisfy the appetites of the students and to give them a break after a day's hard work, the institute campus is provided with a relaxing and comfortable canteen, one of the most happening places in the campus, with all the students gathering there to discuss their new experiences in the campus. A full-fledged branch of State Bank of India is situated within the campus with a facility to Mahakal Group of Institutes students and staff members for maintaining savings account with minimum balance. The students can avail State Bank of India and Punjab National Bank's ATM facility within the campus itself. Single and double room accommodation for boys is available separately within the premises with the capacity of more than 250. Girls' hostel facility is available on request outside the campus. The hostels are provided with a well-equipped gymnasium to keep the body fit. MIT, MITS and MITM have advanced language English laboratories. Mahakal Group of Institutes owns a fleet of 54 buses. This huge transportation empire is effectively managed and controlled to reach a destination well before scheduled time of start of classes. The sports club at Mahakal Group of Institutes is active in providing the right environment for the students to participate in various sports. More than 150 students are playing in state or national level sports. Mahakal Group of Institutes has been organizing various literary and cultural activities round the year. Healthy interdepartmental competitions are very handy. The Mahakal Group of Institutes is ranked among top 100 engineering institutes in India according to the Dalal Street Investment Journal. The Mahakal Group of Institutes has been awarded with Best Emerging Training and Placement Award during 3rd TPO conference held in Mumbai. The students of Mahakal Group of Institutes won laurels when they designed a moon cart and demonstrated it at National Aerospace Agency at United States of America. The group is ISO 9001-2000 certified and NPA accredited. Behind this legendary and grandiose success of Mahakal Group of Institutes, the captain leading from the front is the governing body. Behind the splendid and striking success of Mahakal Group of Institutes, the real source of the real creative impulse and inspiration is Engineer Praveen Vashisht, energetic and dynamic chairman of Mahakal Group of Institutes. Vice Chairman Engineer Dharmendra Gupta, Vice Chairman Rajendra Vashisht, a noted and popular social worker. Another Vice Chairman, Shri Alok Vashisht, is a humble devotee of Pujya Guru Daddaji, whose blessings are always showered on MIT and its students.